In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a header or footer in Microsoft Excel 2013, whether you're tidying up a spreadsheet for a presentation or simply looking to remove unnecessary elements. This guide will walk you through the process quickly and efficiently. First things first, let's start by opening Microsoft Excel. Once your spreadsheet is open, you'll want to navigate to the area where you can make adjustments to the page layout. So go ahead and click on the Page Layout tab, which you'll find at the top of your Excel window. This tab is crucial because it contains all the tools you'll need for formatting your document's appearance. Next, direct your attention to the Page Setup group within the Page Layout tab. In the bottom right corner of this group, you will notice a small arrow or what is often called the expand icon. Click on that icon and this will open up a more detailed window where you can fine-tune your document settings. In the window that appears, you'll see several tabs. Navigate to the header footer tab, as this is where you can manage the header and footer settings for your document. Now, if you're looking to remove something from the header, whether it's information on the left, center, or right side, you'll want to click on Customize Header. This brings up a new dialog box that lets you edit or remove text from any of these sections. Once in the Customize Header dialog, simply click inside the box you want to clear, whether it's the left, center, or right section, and delete any unwanted text. After you've made your changes, confirm by clicking OK. With the header sorted out, it's time to turn our attention to the footer. Right next to the Customize Header button, you'll see Customize Footer. Click on it to open the dialog box for the footer sections. Here, you'll repeat the same simple process. Choose the section, left, center, or right, where you want to delete the text, click inside the box and remove the text. When you're finished with customizing the footer, go ahead and click OK to save your changes, and then click OK once more to close the page setup window entirely. And there you have it. Your spreadsheet is now free from any headers or footers you no longer need. That's all there is to it. Just a few simple steps, and your Excel document should look exactly how you want it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you found it useful, be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.